start.
This is a 1957 Fiat, elegant, mostly commonly known as Centralite. This is a Hyderabad original car bought from Hyderabad showroom. And now we would like to see the whole picture of the car, right from starting from the bonnet. This is the bonnet, and your headlamp. We've got the spark lamps, and this is the front of the body. We've got the entire original upholstery. It looks like the original upholstery. And all these handles and all these original glasses. And the petrol cap, the original petrol cap. And you will see the original tail lamps with the indicator and the danger light. And here is a reverse light which we have fitted extra fitting here. When the car has gone for the Cartier show in 2017. This is the original number plate. See, this is the original lock. And this is the original monogram. And see the rear bumper. This is the right side of the car. And you can see the rear door. It's got an original upholstery. And this is the original steering and what all the indicator lights here. And this speedometer, everything is original, they're all in working condition. Now we would like to show you the car when it is in start position, okay? Okay, cut you.